Chat, Nature's skin and hair company, provides quality cosmetology training and education using a hybrid platform. Working full-time in a salon may make it difficult to get cosmetology licensing, but Keyani Washington, the founder of Chat, will make it easy. Offering flex scheduling allows current industry professionals to balance between working full-time in the salon and obtaining their educator's license. To achieve quality skin and hair health solutions, Chat offers foundational training and products, all formulated by Keyani herself. Learn more about Chat on their website, www.chatshco.com.